This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, I had given you the homework to do, the balance sheet 7, exercise 7. So did anyone try to do that? Girls, if you don't answer, I won't be able to know why today so less people are there. Is there any reason for it? Girls? Why nobody is
Yes, ma'am.
answering? Hmm? Why so less people today?
Don't know, ma'am.
So now the ones who are attending, the 7 girls, you all are of same combination.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so did you people try to do this balance sheet 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you were able to do it. So let's start to conclude this one and we'll do balance sheet 5 and then we will do the cash flow statement. Okay. So I want you people to guide me what has to be done. So ABC is a high-end restaurant which started operations on 1st Jan 2019. Following of the transaction occurred during 2019. So here we are going to do the balance sheet for one financial year. So capital introduced. Yes, ma'am. Is someone trying to tell something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain yesterday's sum?
Yeah, that is
I
what
was
that is balance sheet 7 I'm explaining you now. The homework what I had given, that one only we are sorting it out. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want you people to guide me. Don't please maintain that silence. If it is wrong also fine. Here we are coming here to learn, isn't it? So that's fine. Absolutely fine if you are making the mistake also. Don't hesitate. So capital introduced rupees 10 lakh on 1/1/19 2019. So where should I enter this value? Capital introduced.
Ma'am, in equity and in cash account,
Equity where?
in balance sheet.
Yes, under the liabilities. So equity share, how much I have to show? 10 lakh. Okay, then I have to show it in cash flow
Cash.
statement also. So here I have under CFI, that is cash flow investment activities. So here I'll show it as 10 lakh. So how should I take the value? Should it be in positive or negative? It should be in positive because cash is coming in. Okay. So fixed assets. Fixed asset, where should I show?
Balance sheet, ma'am, in asset side.
Balance sheet on the asset side. So here fixed asset, how much worth I am purchasing? It is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Okay, so here I need to show anywhere else.
No, ma'am.
Here in cash flow statement under this capital expenses. So whatever the capital that has come, on that what is the amount I have spent. So in that amount I am spending 5 lakh rupees to purchase my fixed assets. So is equal to, so it will be minus 5 lakh. Okay, got it? So here fixed asset depreciation 20%. So 20% depreciation is happening on the fixed asset. So is equal to 5 lakh into how much they are telling, 20% depreciation is happening. So depreciation, where I should show, here I need to show the depreciation is equal to, so depreciation is happening, but still the cash is with me only, it is not going anywhere. So I'll take the value here, and anywhere else I need to show, just see the statements properly, income statement, balance sheet and cash flow. Here we have showed in balance sheet, in cash flow also, and here in income statement also we need to show the depreciation. Okay, so then fixed asset we have got 5 waiters and an accountant were hired. So we are hiring 5 waiters and accountant at rupees 2,50,000 per month for the full year. Means here salary expenses, how much it is happening? It is 2,50,000. Okay, so 2,50,000 rupees I am spending it on the salary. Got it? So food and beverages sold for cash rupees 65 lakh. So sales, here we are telling sold. So directly they are telling that this much of amount was sold. So it is 65 lakh. Okay. So then food and beverages items taken on credit worth rupees 20 lakh during the year. Means here we are taking the food and beverages for 20 lakhs. So that will be girls. I want you people to answer. So 20 lakh rupees we are taking on credit. So account payable will be, so understand the question here. Out of 20 lakh, 3 lakh rupees were unpaid at the year end. Means 3 lakh rupees we are supposed to pay. That means 70 lakh rupees, we have 17 lakh rupees we have paid them. So is equal to 3 lakh. So account payable.
Ma'am,
There, yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can you explain the sales part?
Sales here you can see. So they are telling that okay, so here directly they are telling that food and beverages sold for cash rupees 65 lakh, means food and cash, this one beverages. So they are not telling that how much we have purchased, what is the purchase quantity, what is the purchase rate, nothing they are telling. They are just telling directly that for this year we have sold for 65 lakh. Okay, so we are directly taking the value over here. So then they are telling that food and beverages item taken on credit, means we purchased 20 lakh rupees worth, and out of which we are paying, we have not paid 3 lakh rupees. That means 17,000 was cleared. Okay, understanding? So here next one is 5-year membership scheme for 2,50,000 each was offered. They sold 30 membership in cash in 2019. So here sale of membership. So membership they have sold it. So how much they have sold is equal to 2,50,000 into 30. the bracket and I close the bracket here. It is divided by 5 years. Okay, so it is 15 lakh rupees sales membership they have sold. Okay, so then COGS, can we calculate the COGS on this?
Ma'am, where did office rental being shown?
So office rent, yeah, here it is. So office rent 2,50,000 for full year. So office rent should be shown here. So it is equal to 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 rupees we have paid. So on 1/1/2019 only we have paid. So rent expenses we are showing it here. So then anywhere else we have to show the rent? No. So only in income statement we are showing the rent. Then we have 7 lakh rupees was borrowed at a rate of 8%, means we are taking the debt. So debt amount where we have to enter. So debt amount here in the cash flow statement is equal to, so I am taking 7 lakh rupees. Then 7 lakh rupees I have taken, and the interest what I am paying on the debt is equal to into 8%. Then on 31/12, half of the net income was distributed, means whatever the income we are getting, in that half of this one was distributed to the shareholders. Okay, so then tax. So first we need to calculate the COGS is equal to S minus this. So gross profit will be I want you people also to try. Yeah, this one it is not there. Sorry. It was balance sheet 6, right? What we had given. Okay, so there was some confusion happened. Okay. Sorry. It was this one, balance sheet 6. That is why I was wondering what was going wrong. Okay, extremely sorry about it. So you people must have been sorted out this one, right? I will just hide this one. Okay. So balance sheet 6, you people must have solved. Okay, we'll do this one only. I have shared this one, right? It is rupees 2 lakh capital introduced in the business. Girls, please do answer. I have the same copy of another one question paper. That is why I was getting confused with. This is one we were supposed to do, right? Till balance sheet 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's do this one fastly. So, did we resolve this one?
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yeah, tell me, ma. Yes, tell me, ma. What is your doubt? Purchase office equipments. Yes, ma. What is the doubt?
Yes, ma'am. In CFI, it's written change in CAPEX. What does that mean?
CAPEX, that is capital expenses, means whatever the amount I'm investing in order to purchase my fixed assets. That's one. That one. Capital expenses. CAP stands for capital, EX stands for expenses. So next 2 lakh rupees capital I have introduced and purchased equipment worth rupees 10,000. So here I'm going
And
to
down,
hide this. Yes, ma.
ma'am, cash, BOP, and cash.
Cash. Cash balance
BOP
on
and
opening at the end of the period, beginning of period. BOP stands for beginning of period. EOP stands for end of period. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, here I am purchasing the equipment of rupees 10,000 where equipment's estimated value is for 2 years. So here I'll put is equal to 10,000 divided by 2. So here depreciation, I have to show this depreciation over here. And here I have to show the depreciation is equal to 5,000. So then here it will be is equal to this minus depreciation. So next paid to landlord rupees 3,000 has deposit. So deposit we are paying. So deposit will be is equal to 3,000. So here deposit. So minus 3,000. Then capital expenses. So equipment I have bought it for 10,000. So minus 10,000. So capital expenses. So whatever the amount capital I have, in that 10,000 rupees I have spent in order to purchase the equipment. So paid to landlord. So 2,000 has advance rent. So rent I am paying 2,000. And here advance rent is equal to 2,000 and rent. Here it is minus 2,000. So amount is going out from me. Received rupees 6,000 has 1 year magazine subscription. So yesterday I explained you people what is this magazine subscription is all about. So it is equal to 6,000. So I'm telling that for here we are subscribing. Sorry, subscription is being taken for one whole financial year, but here we are going to show the balance sheet for one particular month. Okay, so here for that we are going to show that it will be divided by 12, which will be 500. For 1 month it is 500 rupees. So here when we are talking about unearned revenue means when I'm talking about the whole financial year. So the first financial year, April month balance sheet I'm doing. So I have not yet utilized the rest of the month. So it will be 6,000 minus 500. So 5,500 will be my unearned revenue. Okay. So then sales, purchase is done. So purchased and received 1000 books at a cost of rupees 50 per book. So I am purchasing. So here I need to show it in inventory is equal to, open the bracket. So 1000 into 50. So it is 50,000 worth rupees inventory I have bought. So paid 50% amount in cash and remaining 50% in 30 days. So account payable. So now I am supposed to pay 50,000 divided by 2. Means 50% I have paid them by cash, and another 50%, that is 25,000 I am yet to pay. So is equal to 50,000 divided by 2. So that is 25,000 I'm supposed to pay them. So next, spend rupees 2,500 on advertisement is equal to 2,500. Then took a loan of rupees 20,000 from bank for working capital. So debt is where I have to show the debt. Here it is not there. Loan, yes. So loan is 20,000. Okay, here my debt will be 20,000. So next. So here for that 20,000 the interest is 10%. So interest calculation is equal to 20,000 into 10%. So next, where we have to show the interest, only one place here in the income statement I have to show. So sold for cash rupees 50 books at the rate of 50 each book. So sale 1 is equal to 50 into 100. Okay. So here in inventory I need to show minus COGS will be there, no? So let us do this one, then we will understand it better. So again, I'm making a sale of 25 books at rupees 100 is equal to 25 into 100. So here COGS will be, how much will be the COGS, girls? Girls, I want you people to answer. Is equal to 50 into 50. And COGS 2 will be is equal to 25 into 50. That is item how much I have sold, 50 books I have sold, and the cost incurred to buy that books was 50 per book. So here in inventory, I'll subtract this minus 50 into 50. Then again one more COGS is there, that is 25 into 50 means first sale I have made 50 books, second sale I have made 25 books. So both the books were bought at this rate. So here inventory will be is equal to 46,250. So account receivable. So here, so first sales we are receiving the cash. Second sales we are yet to receive, means it is a credit sale that is happening. So receivable will be is equal to sale 2. Okay. So next, hire a part-time clerk to whom company will pay 100 rupees per hour. Clerk works for 25 hours. So for this 30 days he is going to work for 25 hours. So 25 into 100. So 25 hours and 100 rupees per hour. So here they are telling that 50% amount paid in cash and the remaining 50% paid in the month of May. So salary payable will be is equal to 2,500. So clerk salary divided by 2. So salary payable is 1,250. I am yet to pay. Here also it is equal to 1,250. So inventory here it will come in minus because the amount what I have spent on inventory. Okay. So next, what else we have to fill? Okay, then hired is done. Mail out the 5th month newsletter subscription. Okay, let's see. Is equal to this minus sum of the operating expenses. So profit is, it is in loss. Okay. So here is equal to sum of, open the bracket, select the so cash. So I need to calculate profit what I have got. It's equal to 9,750. Alt is equal to enter. Is equal to enter. So this beginning of the period, nothing was there with me. So somewhere something is going on. Just 1 second, please hold on. Okay, still we are getting the difference. So anywhere we have made the mistake. Thus, did you people tried it out? Here I have not put the receivable. So we go to receivable. Somewhere, girls, guide me if somewhere I am making mistake. It is 10,000 as depreciation. So that's it. What? I'll be going there on 8.
Today, only for today.
No, classes is going on, no? Yeah. Bye. Maybe somewhere. Girls, so we have sorted it out. So we are getting the amount properly. So did you people try this? Why no response, girls? Girls, done with this? Any doubts? Why today no response only? Girls, if you don't respond, what I should think? Whether you people have understood, or I can go further, or I should wait. Are you able to hear my voice? Girls, then why no response? Why nobody is replying anything? Did you understand, not understood anything? Hmm? Okay, we were supposed to do this one, right? Balance sheet. So here just check for the question number 1. On 1st Jan 2019, you started a business with 1 crore as equity and 50 lakhs as loan at 13% per annum as result in interest payable in 20 years. Okay, Harina's mic is not working. What about others?
Ma'am, this question is
Aditi,
in balance sheet 4.
is it? It is in balance sheet 4. Huh? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone open up with this sheet. Either it is front or back somewhere. This one my question. This one might have been got exchanged. I want everyone to open up with this question exercise, balance sheet. Okay, did you people try to solve this? Why today everybody are so silent? If you did not understand, at least you used to tell that, ma'am, we did not understood with this. Today, no response, no reply, nothing.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I tried this sum, but I guess this is not balancing. So I guess I'm not able to understand what to put where. So most of the time when I try doing this sum, it's not balancing.
Okay, so let's give a try and see whether we are able to balance the figures. So first, on 1st Jan 2019, we started the business with 1 crore amount. So it is equity, how much we are investing? 1 crore. So 1 crore. So 1 crore investment I have done, wherein I will show it here in my equity also.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am, I was telling about the previous sum, the one which we did before this.
Just now, this one.
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting confused
Then
what to put where.
what to put where in the sense? Where you got confused, in the income statement, balance sheet or cash flow?
Ma'am, balance sheet, both the
Balance
balance
sheet.
sheet and the cash flow. There's some error, maybe, I don't know.
No, just check out here, no, which are the things that has to come in the negative and which are the things that has to come in the positive. Here only most of the time the things will go wrong because the negative and the positive values, again, it matters. So the profit in the income statement, how we have got this income statement. Okay, when we are calculating, see, let's do it once again and try. Again, if we do, the time will be getting wasted. Okay, let me explain like that only. So first I'm going to put my equity. Okay, I'll just change the colors so that you can understand it. Okay. So first I'll put the equity, this one, where I'm telling that 2 lakh rupees it has been introduced. So here I have put and here I have put my value. Okay. So equity shares, then purchase of office equipment at rupees 10,000. So equipment is 10,000 rupees. Again, it is an capital expenses where my money is going out. So here I have put the value. Okay. So minus 10,000 rupees. And here they are telling that it has a lifespan of 2 years, means estimated life is only 2 years. So here I'll put the depreciation where you can see 10,000 divided by 2. Means here we are taking the years directly, wherein I am getting the value as 5,000. Okay, so this depreciation amount I am showing it here. So depreciation is happening, but is the cash is going out? No, the cash is with me only. So I am showing it in positive. And the same depreciation has to be shown in the income statement as well. Here, 5,000 rupees. Okay. So then next question is paid to landlord rupees 3,000 has deposit. So deposit I am paying. So deposit 3,000 I am paying it here. And here I am paying the deposit. So in cash flow statement, cash is going out in the form of deposit. So it will be in minus sign. Okay. Then rupees 2,000 as advance rent for the first month. So rent I am paying. So here I am putting under the income statement 2,000 rupees rent. Okay. So then here I have to show here in the balance sheet on the asset side advance rent 2,000 rupees and rent here cash is going out. So here I'll be showing this rent in minus. Okay, cash is going out. So this will be minus. Then received 6,000 rupees as 1 year magazine subscription for the monthly newsletter. Means for 1 year, for the whole year I have taken the monthly subscription. But here I am not showing the balance sheet for the whole financial year. It is for only 1 month. So the newsletter value will be 500. So 6,000 divided by 12 means it is for whole 12 months I am dividing. So when I am dividing per month, the subscription rate is 500 rupees. So automatically here unearned revenue, when I come here, so 6,000 minus 500. Why I am telling this one has unearned revenue means for this whole financial year, I am creating the balance sheet for the first month, that is April month. So rest other months, rest other 11 months, am I utilized it? No, it is not yet utilized. So that is why 6,000 minus 500. So this is an unearned revenue. Okay, and this unearned revenue will be shown again here in the balance sheet on the liability side. Okay, so here this is done. So purchased and received 1,000 books at a cost of rupees 50. So here I am purchasing the inventory. So inventory, if you see, the first thing we are calculating. So that is purchase, I am showing 1,000 into 50. Okay, so then after purchasing, paid 50% amount in cash. So out of 50,000, I am paying 50% is 25,000. I am paying it by cash, and 25,000 I am paying it later. So account payable 50,000 divided by 2, or else you can do 50,000 into 50%. Means half of the amount. So account payable is 25,000. I am yet to pay. So account payable here also 25,000. Under the cash flow I have to show, because I have not yet paid it. The amount is with me, so it will be in positive sign. Okay. So then spend 2,500 on advertisement. Advertisement I am spending 2,500. So nowhere else we are going to show the advertisement. So took a loan of rupees 20,000. So loan 20,000 rupees I have taken. So the debt amount I have to show it in cash flow statement. So this is amount receiving. So equity and this debt amount I will be showing it in positive. Okay. Then so the loan amount. So where interest is calculated at 10% means on that 20,000 10% interest I am paying. So here I am calculating the interest where you can see 20,000 into 10%. Okay, so nowhere else I'm going to show the interest. So then, so sold cash rupees, sold for cash 50 books at rupees 100 each. So the first sales 50 into 100. Okay, then sold 25 books at the rate of 100 each book. So here first one is cash. So I have sold and I have taken the money. Second sales, I have not yet taken the money. So here the sales I have to show 25 into 100, that is 2,500. But this amount is still receivable. I am supposed to receive it. So account receivable 2,500 I'll show, and here also account receivable. So receivable 2,500, because I am showing this one in negative because I have not yet received this amount. Okay, so that is why it is minus. Then hired part-time clerk to whom company will pay per hour 100 rupees, 100 rupees per hour. So salary. So where is the salary part here now? So salary payable clerk. Okay, here. So it is 25 into 100 means the clerk has worked for 25 hours, where per hour he is charging 100 rupees. So 25 into 100, 2,500 is salary. His salary is. So now this salary, half of the amount is yet to be paid. So 2,500, you can see here 50% amount paid in cash, and the remaining 50% will be paid in the month of May. So here salary payable is 1,250, and here also I'll show 1,250 means it is yet to be paid. I have not yet paid him. Okay. So then mail out the first month's newsletter. So this calculations are done. Now I have to calculate. In this COGS was left. So when I select, so you can see, so the first sale that is happening is 50 books I have sold. So what is the cost that I have incurred to sell that books? So it is rupees 50. So 50 into 50. Okay. So the second sales, that is Second sales is 25 books I have sold. So 25 and the cost that I have incurred to buy that books are 50. So 25 into 50. Okay. So now to do the calculation, to do the profit, first here I will select. So I will do the sum. So sale, sale 2 and sale of newsletter. So this is the revenue I am getting. Okay, 8,000 rupees. Now I'll come to profit. So first I'll select this value that is in E6. Means the revenue amount, that is 8,000 minus the operating expenses. So I'll select from here to here. Okay. So now I am getting it in loss. So I have not got any profit. So this amount I'll be taking in retained earnings. Okay. So retained earnings, and I will show it in cash flow statement as well. So now inventory, here you can see it is when I'm calculating this. So purchase 1,000 books at the rate of 50 rupees. First sale I'm making 50 books. So 50 books I purchase that books at the rate of 50 rupees. And second sales I have sold 25 books. Out of there I have purchased this 25 books at the rate of 50 rupees. So my change in inventory. Inventory value is 46,250 and this one is 46,250. Means the amount what is going out, which has spent on the inventory. Means the stock that is there in my hand. So what is the amount that I have spent? Okay. So here I am making the sum of all those things. Again I am making the sum of this investment part. Again I am making the sum of this financial this one. And here I am getting the CFO, that is. So I will just add this 3. So it is operating plus investment plus finance. So I am getting, so beginning of the period nothing was there. I did not have any cash in my hand. So this will remain 0. At the end of the period, the cash that I have in my hand is 1,83,000. Okay, this amount. So this amount will be taken here in the cash. So now I'll make this sum. So when I'm making this sum, both the amount will get balanced. So understood with this? Girls?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go for this one. So here I'm telling that, so I'm purchasing the, sorry, I'm starting up the business with 1 crore rupees amount. Okay, so equity, it is 1 crore. And here I have to show it in the cash flow also 1 crore. Okay, so then 50 lakh rupees loan I am taking. So that is debt. So here I'll show it as is equal to 50 lakh. So I'm taking 50 lakh rupees as debt amount. So here also I need to show the debt amount. So is equal to, I'll take this amount only. So I have this equity. So next, you bought a machinery at a cost of rupees. So here interest on the loan amount, that is 50 lakh rupees. I'm getting it at the rate of interest is 13%. So interest I need to calculate here is equal to 50 lakh into 13%. Enter. So it is 6,50,000 rupees interest. Okay. So next I am buying a machinery worth rupees 15 lakh. So here I will show, okay, here it is not given this one way. So here I will show it as depreciation. So depreciation, to calculate the actual cost of the machinery is 15 lakh. 15 lakh rupees. Then, so it was useful for 10 years. So 10 years means with this I have to divide 10. So the depreciation value will be 10. So here I'll tell it has, so 15 lakh is equal to, so here it will be is equal to this minus this value. So net fixed asset I need to calculate. So here it is, the value of the fixed asset is 15 lakh. So here I'm telling that on that 15 lakh, 10 years it has been utilized and the salvage value is 0. Okay. So 15 lakh divided by 10. So this is the depreciation amount. So once I reduce this, so the actual inventory cost, that is, sorry, the fixed asset 15 lakhs minus 1,50,000, it is 13,50,000. So here the net fixed asset will be 13,50,000. Okay. So depreciation will be, I'm just calculating here only. So depreciation will be shown here, and here also I need to show the depreciation, that is 1,50,000 depreciation is happening. Okay. Girls, you people are able to follow it, right? So we have paid the rent 12 lakh rupees annually, which includes 9 lakh rupees of rent and deposit 3 lakhs. So out of this 12 lakh, 9 lakh is my rent. So here I will tell it as is equal to 9 lakh. 9 lakh is the rent and deposit. So rent deposit will be 3 lakh. So here I have to show deposit. Rent deposit is 3 lakh. So 3 lakh rupees I have shown. Then you purchased 80 television at a cost of rupees 2,000. So inventory is equal to, open the bracket. So I am purchasing 80 TV at the cost of 2,000 per TV. Okay. So this is my purchase, out of which 50% I have paid the cash and 50% I will be paying it later. So account payable will be is equal to 1,60,000 divided by 2. If you want into 50% also you can do. So account payable is 80,000. So it is 80,000 which I am supposed to pay them. Okay. So next, spent 30,000 on marketing expenses. So is equal to 30,000. So sold 65 television at 50,000 each. So sales that is happening is equal to 65 into 50,000. I bought the television at 2,000 rupees per TV, and here I am selling it at 50,000 rupees each. Okay, I have sold 65 televisions like that. So here inventory minus 65 into 2,000. So this is 65 is the quantity, the number of TVs, and how much I have paid in order to buy it. Okay, so this is done. So here inventory is equal to minus 30,000. So then hire 3 workers at a salary of rupees 12 lakh in total to be paid. Means 12 lakh rupees salary is equal to 12 lakh. So 12 lakh rupees salary, where I have paid 70% by cash and 30% I am still yet to pay. So salary payable will be is equal to 12 lakh into 30%, which I am supposed to pay. So that is 3,60,000 rupees, which I am supposed to pay. So salary payable will be 3,60,000. Okay. So then what else is there? So now I have to calculate the COGS. So COGS will be, so how many TV I have sold? So it is 65 into 2,000 is equal to 65 into 2,000. So this is my COGS is equal to this 3,80,000. EBITDA will be is equal to So depreciation will be EBITDA minus depreciation. Enter. So EBT will be is equal to minus 65,000. So here tax will be is equal to this amount into 30%, means EBT, earning before tax. So 30%. So it will be this much. So retained earning. So here net earning will be is equal to retained earning profit. Here it will be is equal to 10,000. So still 2 lakh rupees is coming with the difference. So girls, see where anything has gone wrong. So this 1 lakh depreciation, 1 lakh 50,000, 30,000, account payable is 50,000. This one. 30,000, 1 lakh 20,000. Yes. Depreciation 1 lakh 50,000. Interest calculation will be is equal to interest calculation on 15 lakh 50 lakh into 13%. So this 57,000. That is 5 lakh 6,000. Let's check this side. This at 33,000, 30,000, 30,000, 20,000, 60,000. Yes, here assets I have not put it. So how much I have spent? That is national 15 lakh. So it is minus 15 lakh.
What is 15 lakh?
15 lakh fixed asset. I bought the machinery, right? So here, machinery. 15 lakh rupees worth machinery I bought. So capital expenses I told no. So whatever the fixed asset I will be getting. So whatever the capital I have, from that money only, no, I am going to buy it. See now, the amount has got
Yes,
added.
ma'am.
Understood?
So, ma'am, that value after deducting that will show in net fixed assets, and the whole value will show it in change in assets, capital expense.
Yes. So here, why we are showing means here when we were doing, we had the columns like equipments, how much it is, depreciation, how much it is. But here they have not given. So they are asking directly that net fixed asset. So that is why I have calculated here. Here I have showed that the value of the fixed asset is 15 lakh. Where the depreciation, what they are telling is 10 years useful life. So after that, the salvage is 0. So 15 lakh divided by 10, it becomes 1 lakh or 15 lakh. Okay. So now when I calculate this one, so the asset minus the depreciation, I'm getting the net fixed asset. So this value I have taken it here directly. Here they had given the space to do this calculation and put the net fixed asset, but here it is not given. So I have showed it down and have put the value here.
And whatever is the fixed asset, that always comes under change in assets.
Yes, yes. So that will be capital expenses. Capex is nothing but capital expenses, means the capital what I had. So out of which the first expense that is going to happen is fixed asset. So that will be the capital expenses. Means the money is going out over there. So that is why I am showing it in negative. Rent deposit I have paid. So that also I am showing it in negative. So here both the values should get balanced, and here the difference amount it will come in. So understood with this also? Any doubts, girls? Girls?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, so let's go for the cash flow statement where we have only two things to be done. Okay, so here we have only two cash flow. I'll show one for you people and another one I want you people to do it. Okay, so if we are done with this means this will be done. So Monday onwards we'll be starting up with case study. Okay. Okay, girls. So here cash flow, what we did it in the balance sheet, like individually we had that cash flow statement, no? So here we have given with certain components. You need to know which one you have to put it under operating activities, which one you have to put it in investment activities and financial activities. That's it. So the same way only the second one is also there. I want you people to put this so that you will understand what are the components that will come under. Like this components has to come under operating activities, this components has to come under investing activities, and this components has to come under financial activities. Okay. So first one, so cash received from customers. So it is an revenue, right? So which will be under the operating expenses. I'll select this and I'll put it here and the value. So here this amount will be revenue means amount is getting added. Amount is coming into my business. Okay. So the next one, cash paid for expenses. Expenses means the amount that is spent. It comes under the operating activities. So I'll select this and I'll put it here and the value. So expenses means what it is, the amount is going out. So I'll show it in negative. Okay. Then I have cash paid to the suppliers, means whatever the purchase I have done. So I am paying the amount for it. Means this also is a part of an operating expenses where this amount is going out. So it should be in positive or negative, girls? Amount going out of my business. it will be negative. So then this one is done, operating activities is done. Now investment activity. So next, cash paid to acquire additional equipment. So additional equipment means that is an investment that I am doing. Means I am purchasing some equipment for my business sake. So I'll put it here under investment activity. And this amount I am spending in order to buy the equipment. So that will be minus. Okay. So next, financial activities. So next, received cash received from bank. So sorry, here it is, cash received from investment of owner. So that will come under financial activity. So that means investment from the owner, cash we are receiving in the form of investment by the owner. Okay, that is a financial activity, and here this amount is coming into the business. Okay, so next, cash received from the bank, that is also an financial activity where money is coming into the business. So that also will be in positive. So next, cash paid for bank loan, partial payment. I am paying the cash what I have taken, the loan what I have taken, the partial amount of that loan I am paying it. So that will come under financial activity, and here the cash is going out. So it will be in minus. Then cash paid to owner means the owner has put the capital, so he is withdrawing certain amount. Okay, so that is cash paid, withdrawal of capital. So here it will come under financial activities, and here the cash is going out. So it will be coming under minus sign. Okay, so here they are telling that on 1st of April we had the cash 10,800 was there. So this is the opening balance, means beginning of the period I had 10,000 rupees. So it is equal to 10,800. So by the end of the March I am having 21,000. Okay, so these are the components how we will be putting it under the cash flow statement. Got it? Understood, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
So cash flow statement 2, this is also like that only. Here are the components and the values. I want you people to do this. Okay. So Monday we will solve this one and we'll start up with the case study. Okay. We'll take the attendance. Anybody having any doubts?
And once can I show the previous sum?
Ma'am, can you share this Excel sheet, ma'am?
Which one, ma? This one, na? Cash flow?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll share it.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the balance sheet also, ma'am. The solutions.
Yeah, the solved one.
Yes,
Solved one, right? Yeah, I'll share it.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, answer the attendance. Saida,
Present, ma'am.
Trisha,
Present, ma'am.
Karina,
Present, ma'am.
Nivedita,
Present, ma'am.
Janet, Janet, Sirisha,
Present, ma'am.
Pooja, Pooja Shetty,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Deepthi, Mansi,
Present, ma'am.
Achisha, Achisha, Achisha is absent. Tanisha,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya,
Here, ma'am.
Pooja, Pooja, If your audio is you are not able to connect means please put it on the chat that you are present. Prabjot. Prabjot is present. Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Bhumika.
Present, ma'am. Yes,
Aditi.
ma'am.
Triveda. Triveda. Okay, Triveda is absent today. Catherine.
Ma'am,
Bhumika. Yeah.
Prabjot is present.
Prabjot is present. Okay, I put it. Pooja Panchal. Pooja Panchal is also present. Janet. Janet and Hannah. Janet is present. Nivedita, Janet.
Ma'am, Nivedita are present, ma'am.
Janet is absent.